We have food dye. So to make the holiday sign, it's Christmas as you can see from the background. So I'm gonna probably make mine red. Actually green.
Red.
And she's gonna make hers reds because those are the Christmas colors. So let's get started. I'll fast forward to the next.
First I add my food coloring, so because it turned out pink and I don't want it to be pink, so I added my food coloring first. Then I'm gonna add some glue.
Okay, over to me. Okay, so here's the green food dye. I need my Elmer's glue. I'm not making a big batch. I'm gonna make a little batch, and then we'll put in my food dye. I'll get that. 1, 2, 3, and be back.
Next we have Mari with his, so he's gonna be adding his glue in.
So do Christmas colors. Elmer's glue. Pour it. Not the whole batch. And about that much. So, and the color I'm going to be using is I'm probably going to be using blue because that's kind of a Christmas color too. So I'm going to be using blue guys. I'm going to pour it in. 1, 2, 3. So.
Then he's gonna stir it.
I'm gonna stir it. Okay, so back to me. Here's my color so far. Just a little light green. Very classic.
Here is my red. I had to add a lot of food dye to get it red, but it's red.
So now I'm about to add my tide in. And the tide is blue.
But it doesn't show up, so it's okay.
So littles at a time. You stir it. Now to Amari. And here's the final blue. How it turned out. Turned out pretty good. But let's see how it turns out when I add a little bit tide. So far, here's mine. It's coming together.
And here is mine.
You see the pretty Christmas colors together.
And it's gonna be a little sticky, so because we gotta add our stencils.
Here's Amari's. Pretty coming together. I got my stencils. Now I'm just gonna put it in my slime. Gonna get a little bit more because it's not that much. Yeah. So here's my final touch. It's a little stringy, so I just have to knead it some more. But as you can see, the stencils are in there. I just added a few buttons. And yeah, it's my Christmas slime. And I think it actually turned out pretty good. So yeah.
This is my slime.
They're Christmas slimes, and I'm gonna say mine was a success.
Mine was the best.
Mine was the rest. So, if you like this video and if you want me to do similar stuff like this, then
with us, because we're famous.
stop. This is my slime. And honestly, these slimes were a success. And
Mine was the best.
Mine just a rat. At the end of this video, if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Bye, guys.
Slime out.